Well, this is a bit super duper exciting and I wanted to share it with you. Yeah, it's exciting. I saw a post on Instagram from Sara Garth at Sculpt Happy Studio, and it was of this amazing little dragon, and I was so captivated by it. I got in touch with her and I asked her if she taught lessons or did kits or, you know, all the usual questions, and she's come up with this kit for me. And so I haven't opened it yet because I've been a bit poorly and I wanted to wait until I could share it with you guys. And so let's open it up. So it's come with a lovely letter from Sara as well, which is very nice. I won't read you that, it's just a very nice letter, and it looks very well packed. So let's get in. Here we go. I'm so excited. I've been itching to see what's in here. Oh look, can you see that? That little, it's like a little, it's a little seal. It's gorgeous. So this is telling me what's inside my kit. A Forest Dragon visual instruction guide, handmade needle tool, double-ended ball tool, silicone shaper, playing card thickness guides up to 6 cards thick, mixed colour palette clay bag 1, clay bags numbered 1 through to 4, wire pieces, wing templates, micro cutter, stone and crystal selection. Now I chose, Sara asked me which stones I wanted. She sent me some photos and I chose those. Bacon Bond clay adhesive, and forest green mica brush and a paintbrush. So gosh, I think that's that covers everything, doesn't it? I love this seal though. Right, so let's get in. Let's get into the goodies. Oh, I love this. That's sad, isn't it? I really like the sound and the feel of this tissue paper. Right, so I have a very, very well done booklet with all the shapes I'm going to need. Yeah, lots of detail there. It says, awaken the magic, shape the legend, sculpt your own guardian of the woods. Well, I certainly will. And that's a really nicely done little booklet with all kinds of information in. Aha, here are my the cards to use for the thickness, and here are some colours of clay, a little palette. Here are some pieces of wire. It's all been so thoughtfully put together. Oh, here are some templates there. They look like wing templates. And here's the clay, and it tells me what it's for, the wings and the leaves, and the head, the ears. So there's no guessing how much I need for each thing, which I find is I think is going to be really helpful. That's really cool. So everything is done separately, so that's going to make putting it together a lot easier. What else have we got? We've got some mica, some varnish, more mica, purple mica and green mica, and bake and bond. So I've got all of the bits I'm going to need there in little pots. Oh, this is fantastic. There's a little thank you, and that gives me information on baking and curing, and classes and tutoring and other bits and bobs. Lovely. Then I've got a tool there, nice tool, and a paintbrush. That looks like a nice one. And then these are little cutters, you can see that. And these are the stones that I chose that I wanted to use, because he has little or he or she has little crystals in. So, oh look, these are handcrafted tools. They're amazing. They're amazing. That's going to be to add texture, and that one's got a fine point. Oh, Sara, these are wonderful, and I love this tissue. Let's have a look in here. Oh, there are some little little buddy things that I'll be using on my finished piece, and they've all been pushed nicely into that cork to keep them safe. And what else have we got here? Forest Dragon Quick Look Photographic Guide. Oh, that's very handy. So there's some quick photos there to look at. There's all shapes that I'm going to need. What else? This is nice paper this is printed on, I have to say. Yeah, more instructions. Lots of oh, I see, it's different stages of instruction. Oh, and this is how those little the little sweet little bud things were made on there, and they go on the dragon's back. They're so cute. Yeah, and this is all about making the flower petals, and they're teeny tiny little things. So these are all separate steps and all nice clear photographs and instructions. That's amazing. I am absolutely over the moon with that. So, oh, thank you so much, Sara. And let me show you I'm trying to find something that's got her details on for you. There we go. So it's Sculpt Happy Studio, and it's Sara Garth, and you can follow her on Instagram, and I'm not sure if she's on, I think she's on Facebook as a person, but I don't think it's her her business. But Sculpt Happy Studio and Sara Garth, they're on Instagram, and yeah, check her out and check what she does, because it's blooming gorgeous, and I'm absolutely over the moon with this little kit, and I can't wait to get playing with it. I've got got a couple of things I've got to do before I can play with it, but I'm really looking forward to it, and seeing how we go with the instructions. And of course, if you'd rather have personal tutorage, that's available with Sara as well. You can go online with her, and she can give you personal tutorage. So yeah, you're never alone, and I am so excited. Thank you for watching. Bye.